Hey, this is Ronald from Mad Skills University. Today I'm going to show you how I redesigned my old logo right here and use AI in Microsoft Designer for free to create these renditions of a new concept. Microsoft Designer is an AI-based program that you can use to create posters, banners, avatars. You can also remove backgrounds for free with this program. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any comments, suggestions, or ideas, please leave them below. Thank you for watching, and without further ado, let's go inside. To get started, you just want to sign in. Real quick, if you want to create a new free Hotmail or Outlook account, just go to Google and type in how to create a Hotmail account. Click on create your Microsoft account. Now I'm going to create an account called Mad Skills University at hotmail.com. I'll pop in a password, fill out this crap, hold this down to verify that I'm human, and now we're inside our new Hotmail account. Now go back over to Google and find Microsoft Designer or type in designer.microsoft.com. Once we're here, we can sign in and we're going to use our new Hotmail account. Microsoft Designer is an AI-based program. You can create things like images, icons, wallpapers, invitations, all the stuff you see here, social media postings. This thing does almost everything. It kind of reminds me of Canva, and then there's CapCut's online version. I have videos of both of those linked below. How this works is simple. You start with 15 AI credits every month. These reset every single month. All right, let's look at pricing. I have 2 credits left right now. If I wanted to buy more credits, I'll click on that and then click on get more credits. These are my options, or I can go yearly, and it's about 99 bucks. Family, 129. Okay, let's move on. This also removes background. So if I just go up here, I can type in anything. As you can see, remove background comes up right away. And let's remove the background. Let's remove that stuff. Upload that. And this works pretty good. And look at that. So now the background's done. And yeah, I can download this. Designer.ping. Let's see if we have it over here. Here it is in my download directory. Let's open this with GIMP. This is a free graphic design program that competes with Adobe. Background's gone. Now I can take any background from any other place and put it behind it. For example, there you go. It does a pretty good job. And I mean, look at the edges there. That's pretty clean. Bring that back. And there you go. I can work with images, wallpaper, banners. Greeting cards are very popular. Avatars, you can do logos from these. There's a lot of things you can work with, including clip art. But this is not just type in this and you get the silly, corny picture or video. This is a little bit different. Let me show you what some of this stuff does. I'm not going to go over everything. I'm just going to go over a few of these things, but it's really so easy to do and self-explanatory. Then you can play with different kind of collages. And if you click on one, for example, edit that, everything pops up, and you can change anything in here. The text, whatever you want, you can change it. And then you can download that and use one of your credits to do so. And this works the same way with everything. You can also look at different sizes and change the size. You can type in anything you want. So for example, let me show you how cool this is. How did they come up with this? They type, collage saying real estate is life. And there you go. This is how you get to this. Scrapbook inspired photo collage, artist spotlight featuring Molly Graw. And there you go. And it creates everything for you. Let's look at images for a second. If I click on this one, I see what's going on in it. My dad plays guitar, and you can read this yourself. So this is what they're doing. They're not using keywords. I'm going to jump back over. Wallpapers. And again, all this was done Then let's jump over here to invitations. And this is really good. Think about anything you're doing. You can use this template. And we can jump back over here. Banners. Pretty cool. As you can see, you can do a lot of things here. And the quality as you print these is going to be really nice. And this is how they got to that. Poster of an elegant home sale with details about the home. And of course, we can edit that. Inspirational poster with the message, don't wait for opportunity and create it. There you go. So we can try something like that. And of course, we can edit that as well. You see we have different pictures we can bring in. Let's go back over here. Social media. There you go. You're doing a podcast. A LinkedIn post to announce my new podcast launch on July 25th, 2023. Greeting cards are really hot. Happy Easter. Happy 80th. 3D style. Very cool. Happy spring with the Greek island. Nice. I'm not going to go through all these. I'm going to leave some for a surprise, but as you can see, they cover a lot. I like the collages too because I can exchange anything on here, on these collages or these posters, whatever you want to call them, with my own picture. So if you have a business, something you want to promote, you can use banners back there to use your banner for your social media. Here's a square one right here you can use. And of course, you can edit that. Grab and just change it around. Bam, bam, bam. Change anything in here you want. And come on in here and you're going to get 15 credits per month. That's cool. I want to go over here to avatars and look at some of these avatars. That's phenomenal. Gotta do this guy. Huh, a man with the long gray. Huh. Wow. A realistic front-facing portrait of a female attorney. Empty building. That's cool. That's cool. I mean, the way they write this, it's like you're reading a description of a character in a book, and they're just telling you what they're describing the scene to you. Very interesting. So what we're going to do is, mine isn't going to be that interesting. Put in my description. Let's see what we get. As you can see, I did this quite a few times, just playing with different things and experimenting with the language. I can't wait to try it again next month. Then if I go over here to my download folder, this program is really fun. With that said, I did find this guy and this girl that I decided to use temporarily for now on my YouTube page. But I have to work on my wording. I'm also going to create a different logo for middle class streamers. I just created this page 2 months ago. So if I were to find something that, like Get Mad Days, Make a Difference Day, helping people, let's see if we can find something to that effect. Let's go to avatars. And let's say, I'll do something like that. Let's see what it comes up with. It may not come up with anything because that's a really bad description. But yeah, check it out. This is what we get. What I want to do though is do something different. Unity, unity, make a difference. Let's see what that does. But this program is really fun. Definitely check it out. It's free. Yeah, there we go. I went to 5. Credits are running low. Let's just do make a difference and see what it comes up with. There's a lot of things you can do here. Once you do something, it's going to cost you 1 credit, but you get 15 for free. So go to designer.microsoft.com. Again, if you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any comments, suggestions, or ideas, please leave them below. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Peace.